Dear friends, an easy fruit jam is what we are making today, and this time the fruit happens to be plum. Plums are in season and they make very tasty and tangy jam. So we have taken cleaned, washed and dried plums are cut into small pieces. So this is around 300 gram. Add about 2 tablespoons of water and 100 to 120 grams of sugar in this and keep it aside for 2 hours. This will be the amount of water that will come out of the fruits. Keep it on low flame on a non-stick pan or a iron kadai, and add 1 tablespoon, half to 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice into this. So that will act as a preservative. The quantities can be increased. This was my first time I was making plum jam, so I restricted the quantities. I wanted to be sure how it turns out and whether it turns out properly as a jam. Now reduce it, cook it through and keep on mashing it, but there is no need to sieve it because we don't want to lose all the fiber. So this is how you can see after cooking it for 15 minutes and mashing it in between. This is the consistency which we achieve. This can be thickened further if you like very thick consistency jam, but this is preferable. I prefer this with a little bit of, so we can taste it and spread it very easily. So once it cools down, into a sterilized jar, transfer all the contents. You can see what a rich color, and without addition of any preservative, any color, this has led to such a dark color. This reminds me of strawberry. So whenever such fruits are in season, especially berries, do get all the vitamin C by making jams or marmalades or such conserves out of it. And please do try out this recipe. Please do share your comments on this recipe and other recipes on Gluten Free India, and please like my videos and share and subscribe to Gluten Free India. Thank you so much.